let them come through. They're coming through right now. Hold the ball right there, bro. Don't get nobody to rock. Let them through. No, watch out, whoever please. Let these people, let the gang through. Let my peoples through, please, please. Clap it up, y'all. Let's clap it up for the wheelchair gang one time, y'all. Let's get it going.
Alright, how y'all doing? Alright, my name is Chris Noel. I'm coach of the New York Rolling Fury prep team. You probably don't know what wheelchair basketball is. Alright, wheelchair basketball is a sport right now where 26 Division I colleges and Division II colleges offer scholarships to children and teams that use wheelchairs. So what we're trying to do is we realize tournaments like this, teams are trying to get scholarships to college, right? Why shouldn't kids with disabilities get the same chance to go play wheelchair basketball at Division I college, right? Free scholarship. So right now what we want to do is promote this so that if you know anyone in your community that has a wheelchair, a child might have got shot when they were little or born with a disability, but you see them in the neighborhood all the time, send them to our website, nyrollingfury.org, with a New York Rolling Fury. We're the only wheelchair basketball team in the tri-state area. Right? Now there's teams across the country that we go and play. So right now we're just gonna do a little showcase to show you what wheelchair basketball's about, alright? Just because they're in wheelchairs don't mean that they can't score buckets. Alright, so we're gonna get a jump ball, and then what we wanna do after that, we wanna get 2 participants to come and try it out real quick against 2 of our youngsters, just to show you how it's not as easy as you think it is. Alright, so if we can get someone to do a jump ball real quick so we can take this half turn and show them what we gotta do. Hey, Isaac, jump it up. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so on the quote, we got Isaac Gonzalez, BX in the building. We got Alright, we got Moops with the ball. So as you see, wheelchair basketball similar to regular basketball, except they just use a wheelchair. Alright, now we gotta talk about the kids on the court. Right now we have Moops, number 11, he's 10 years old. Austin, number 3, 10 years old. Isaac's 15 years old. Aiden, number 10, is 15 years old. These are youngsters. We need more kids from the hood to come out and play ball. See? This is what we need children with disabilities in our neighborhoods doing. Playing basketball just like everyone out here, but we travel across the country playing other teams. So we're trying to get more kids involved, especially from the New York City area. Right there you see Aiden, he's the point guard on the varsity team. We have a prep, which is 13 and under. And we got a varsity 14 and over. So as you see here, this is basketball, right? No difference, it's just these children use a wheelchair, but there's no reason for them not to get a scholarship. Please visit our website, nyrollingfury.org, if you know anyone in your neighborhood. Oh, that's one-on-one, huh?
Back at you. On a rollout. Turnover. Back at it. Oh, he playing, tapping with it. On the rollout. We on the out. We out. We out. We out. 3 up. Nothing. Oh, we on the rollout. This is my man right here. This talent right here. This talent. Clap it up for him, y'all. Get him hype, y'all. Get him hype. Oh, that's a good down. That's a good down. Oh. We bad. We pushing. And we running. On the pickup? On the pickup. Get
Get yours. Nothing there. Oh, we out. Oh, no. I know where it's going. I know where it's going. Oh, he said, keep it. Do you. On the rollout. Get yours. Can we slow it down? Oh, they out. He out. Oh, on a lean. Get around. Nothing there. Ooh, I like the shot. Clean up. Rebound. Nothing. You still there. Rebound. If he's too small to say that. Then. If he's too small to say that. Oh, we back. Yeah. Oh my Lord. It's lit. Oh, you got to D up though. You got to D up. Oh, got him on the cross. Got him back on the cross. Oh, got him on the spin. Don't spin on him. We got to get the rock though. Let's get the rock. Oh, we going to clean up. On the spin. And what a foul. Oh, my game. Yeah. On the spin. Oh, 3. Nah, this is my man right here. And he MVP. I see what your body like. You've been going for yours. Same spot. Oh, I don't want to spin. They thought you was going there. They thought you was going to your spot. Oh, they want you with the rock. I feel your body. You tired of everybody scoring. You need your open pass. Don't worry about it. Get yours in. Get clean out. We can try again. One more time. Oh, that's my man. He knows he's gonna get his. Huh? Get my man the rock back. My fault. We back. What we doing? On the spin off? Oh, he's still on you. Oh, he back with you though. That's good D. And 3. Oh. Yo, pass the rock. Get the rock to the homies. She there. Let's give it to her. 3. Yes, let's go. That's my man, Enrique. It's here in his space. It's mad space. Oh, I don't want to fake. Don't drop him. Oh, I don't want to spin. Got you. Spin up. Oh. Enrique, still get that. Oh, we on out. You know what your body like. On the spin. Oh, we got him. If he's too small to say that. Clap it up for them, y'all. Let's clap it up for them. This is a good game right here. Now. Oh my God, can't through. He still can't through. Get yours in. If it's like that, get your bully on. Oh, you not with nothing. He not with nothing. Keep playing. You got it. Oh, out of bounds. I respect it. That's real. A lot of people would have argued in here for that. Oh, you just subbed it? Oh, you here now. Don't say no more. You want to sub it. Oh, what we doing? You worried about that? Get the round. Kid, he got the basket. We gotta go get that. Let them play. He good. Oh, out of bounds. I forgot. They respect the calls. And I like they body. They respect calls in the trenches. Enrique, what's your body like, Enrique? Not for the 3 though. Oh, I don't want to spin. Oh, Enrique, can't go. Enrique. I need 2 people from the crowd. Boy and a guy. Girl and a boy. 2 people for the crowd. Oh my God, that's my man. He getting right now. Come on, we got Young Smooth. Come on, we got 2 right here. We got Sai and Ja. We got Sai and Mel. What we doing? These 2 right here. Y'all want them to go against the Jets? Oh, y'all really want to smoke? I need two adults. I need two adults right now because they think it's a game right now. They think it's a game right now. Oh, we going right back at them though. They still going. I need two adults. Somebody step up. Somebody step up. I need two adults. Tron, where you at? All right, we got two adults right there. Oh, get yours. Oh, on the left hand? That's my man. You want to clean up? Good pass. Finish. Ehi, you should play. You should play, Ehi. They'll fix you right now. You don't want no smoke. And he can do some things to you right now. Like that song took my and he got him on the fake again. Up, play through. They play. Oh, that's a good time. And he gonna finish that. Oh, that's she gonna finish that though. Don't worry about it. She gonna get it again. Out of bounds. Y'all respect it. Y'all say who ball it is. It's on y'all. It's on y'all. Oh, we out? If we out there to say that. Gonzalez. Oh, hold on, Gonzalez. Oh, that's a good pass back. I see where it was going. Not where ADK out. Oh, got him on the spin. Oh, got him too. Hold on, ADK. You acting. Oh, Chip, ADK. Oh, we still here. Chip, hold on. We got him too. Hold on, ADK. Hold on. That's his teammate too. Don't worry about it. I know what's going on. ADK, back over here. I know what's going on. ADK, back over here. Spin move. Got him. That's what got him. You gotta pay attention. ADK, you gotta shoot that. You gotta shoot that, Enrique. Oh, Enrique, back on the stairs. Come here. Got him on goal. You gotta take one. Nothing there.
Oh, the steal.
It's numbers involved. You got it. Diana Taurasi. That's a good pass. Why you ain't looking at the... Oh, 3 yards, nothing there. You got it, Taurasi. Get that. Oh, that's my man. I know what's up with him. I know it's up with him to get his position. Layup, counting. I know his body. Two kids. Come on, Mel. Come on, side. Come on, Mel. Y'all pick a team. Mel, you on a blue team? Side, you on a white team? What we doing? Oh, hold on. Y'all gotta get in a wheelchair. It's a little different. Y'all don't know how to move like that today. Welcome to their world. Mel, like, you sound like, yo, what's going on right now, boy? Sounds like, yo, what's going on? I thought I was hooping right now. Yeah, you hooping. Yeah, we lit. Let's do it. Let's go, Mel. Yeah, you lit. Blue team. Y'all got Mel with the white shirt. White team. Y'all got Side with the yellow shirt. Blue team, look, right here on your team. To your right. Oh, y'all know who y'all going to. Oh, he stepped back though. I ain't even peeped that. He wheeled back. That was a wheel back. That's what I mean. We out, Gonzalez. We out, Gonzalez. Get yours. You gotta get a bucket, Gonzalez. You gotta get a bucket for the people. For Gonzalez. You gotta get a bucket. Mel and Sai is lost right now. Mel is stuck. Back at you though. You gotta move like Enrique. Oh, no, that's not gonna work. Gonzalez back with it. Oh, Enrique get his own rebound. Got his own rebound. He gonna shoot that again. Why not? This is my name right here. Look how he moves. 1 minute left. 3 nothing. I know what your body like. What we doing? Gonzalez. Oh, that's a good save right there. What we doing? Diana Taurasi. She's stuck. Diana Taurasi on the spin. Back in Enrique. He know how to move with it. Got him on the spin. Enrique. He out. I see what's going on. Enrique 2-4. Oh. Has he? Came through. Down taking. Get one. 21 seconds, 20. 15. Uh-oh. 3 up. Nothing there. Onside, you with it. Onside can't do nothing with it. Not this time. Enrique, with it on the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, let's clap it up for them, y'all. Let's clap it up for them, please, y'all. Please, let's get him the biggest clap up we can ever get him, man. For real, this for the trenches. Yeah. NYRollingFury.org. NYRollingFury.org.
So don't let the cat on the block in the wheelchair and be like, damn, I feel sorry for him. Tell him, hey, you should play some ball. Contact the NY Rolling Fury. We'll put them on.